Hi there, Scott and Long Construction. Just wanted to have a quick chat today about siding corners. We've got this very modern house out here in Hillsboro, and one of the things that I like is we use these metal corners, and it really takes and just clean things up. I'll show you really quick here, right behind me. You'll see that we've got these corners. Being metal, there is no trim here on the side. See if we can get that. There's no trim here on the side for that, so it just cleans everything up. You get a nice smooth transition, and they go in really easily. The framers put them in, the siders put them in when they're doing their job, and it's just a really clean look on a modern house. I want to show you here kind of one area that they're working on. Basically, you end your panel there and you turn around, and underneath that you slide this corner back in. It paints up really nice. It finishes really clean. You don't have to worry about caulking, less maintenance. Just a really good product, especially on a modern style house. It's just a clean line. So just wanted to give you an update and let you know what we were doing.